Guys, RTT back here from the video. Guys, I got a comment about benchmarking in Blender. Guys, do not know how to benchmark in Blender. You just follow the link down below in the description. It takes you to the download to the benchmark. You download it, blah, blah, blah. Select which benchmarks you want to run, and then you are all good. Now, guys, in this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at my Blender benchmarks for my 3090 FE with running a 9900K. As you can see on the screen right here, I do have a i9 9900K, and of course, it is not overclocked, and neither is my GPU, my 3090 FE Founders Edition. So let's go and take a look at how these actually do, and then compare them to online benchmarking through Blender's website. So for the BMW 27, I actually had 23 seconds, which is not bad at all. Classroom, I got 1 minute and 3 seconds. For my Fishy Cat, 45 seconds. For my Crow, 1 minute and 2 seconds. My Pavel, I do not say this, 2 minutes and 1 second. Victor, 3 minutes 37 seconds. And that is it. Go ahead and submit my request. I can open up in the browser now, and it'll take me to the website, and I can actually see. Let's go ahead and go to, actually, we're going to go to features. No, wait, which one is it? Hang on, guys. I don't have the link right now currently, so that's the issue. And I'm going to go with, I'm just going to type in Google then. Blender benchmarks. There we go. This is how you find it, but let's do that. And let me make my screen a little bit better for you guys to see. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Bam. All right. So benchmarks, I think I was about to say, I should be able to actually go to the web. There we go. So this is what we have. And if I don't think I can actually pull up my benchmarks I just had, but you guys saw my benchmarks I just had. So if we go to search data here, you can see that we go ahead and search it by 3090. So exactly what graphics card we have. There was only one benchmark posted, and it's the number of benchmarks 660 and 49 seconds. But if we go back real fast, you can see that it says right here how fast the 3090 can get on these certain benchmarks. Now, you compare that to my results I had, which, you know, overall was not bad. I think BMW was like 3 point something seconds. And again, it all depends also on your CPU. It's not only just your graphics card, it's always your CPU. I personally know how to fast CPU. I have a 9th gen i9. There is a 10th gen. There was a 10900X or 900K. There's also some other CPUs that are a little bit faster than mine, but definitely not bad. And comparing it to the masses, it's pretty decent, actually. I have pretty decent results, and that is the 3090, guys, benchmarked in Blender. And overall, a pretty decent benchmark. So all you guys go ahead and do is go ahead and download it right here, and it will download it, and then you just open it up and download exactly what benchmarks you want to do. And that is pretty much it, guys. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions of this video. Do you like it? Do you hate it? And also, guys, subscribe to the channel if you are indeed new. We have a lot of new subscribers. I think in the last week we gained like 11, 12 subscribers. So I do appreciate everyone hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.